Moving on to cleaning procedures. Gathering supplies. Number 1. Before entering the room, it is essential to collect all necessary cleaning supplies and equipment to ensure efficiency. This includes cleaning solutions. You need to use appropriate products such as all-purpose cleaner for surfaces, glass cleaner for mirrors and windows, and specialized bathroom cleaners for towels and fixtures. Bring microfiber cloths, dusters, mops, brooms, and a vacuum cleaner. Each tool serves a specific purpose, ensuring that every area is cleaned thoroughly. Prepare fresh linens, including sheets, pillowcases, and duvet covers, along with towels and toiletries to restock after cleaning. Moving on to entering the room and assessing needs. What do you need to do? First, you knock and you announce. Always knock on the door and announce yourself as housekeeping to respect guest privacy. 2. Room assessment. Upon entering, assess the room's condition. Take note of any specific cleaning needs, such as stains on carpets, spills, or items left behind. This assessment helps prioritize tasks and ensure thorough cleaning. Dusting and polishing surfaces. Begin by dusting all surfaces using a microfiber cloth, which traps dust effectively. Dust furniture, shelves, lamps, and electronic devices. Pay attention to areas that are often overlooked, such as baseboards and ceiling fans. After dusting, polish surfaces, such as wooden tables and nightstands, to enhance their appearance. Use appropriate furniture polish to ensure a clean and shiny finish that reflects well on the hotel's standards. Now, for cleaning the bathroom, the toilet, for example, you need to use a disinfectant toilet cleaner and a toilet brush to scrub inside and around the toilet bowl. Ensure that the area around the base is clean, as it can often accumulate dirt. For the sinks and the countertops, you need to clean the countertops with a disinfectant, paying close attention to the faucets and handles, which can harbor germs. Wipe down mirrors with glass cleaner for a streak-free finish. For showers and bathtubs, scrub the shower walls, the floor, and the bathtub using a suitable cleaner. Rinse thoroughly to remove any residue. Check for mold or soap scum buildup and address these areas specifically. Now, for restocking supplies, ensure that toiletries like soap, shampoo, conditioner are fully stocked and neatly arranged. Check that clean towels are available for guests. Making the bed and changing linen. What do you need to do? Strip the bed of all linens, ensuring they are placed in the designated laundry bin. For making the bed, replace them with fresh linens, ensuring that the fitted sheet is tight and the top sheet is neatly folded over the blanket. Arrange pillows neatly, placing larger pillows at the back and smaller decorative pillows in front. For the final touches, tuck in the edges of the bedspread or duvet to create a polished look. Vacuuming. Use a vacuum cleaner to thoroughly clean carpets, ensuring that corners and under furniture are not overlooked. For larger rooms, work in sections to ensure complete coverage. For hard surfaces, start by sweeping to collect loose dirt and debris. Follow up with mopping using a suitable floor cleaner to remove stains and maintain shine.